But your English is zero. You don't know where to start. You feel confused. You think English is difficult. But today I will show you simple. Let me tell you a story. There was a girl named Neha. Didn't know English. Not even basic sentences. She felt shy. She never spoke. But one day she decided to start from zero. Step by step. Small practice. Daily effort. Do you learn from this story? Everyone starts from zero. Repeat after me. I can start from zero. I will improve. Will learn. Step 1. Learn basic words, simple sentences, simple phrases. Neha learned 10 words daily. She made simple sentences. Slowly she improved. Do you learn from this story? Basics builds your foundation. Step 2. Listen every day. Watch your simple videos, simple movies, English podcast. There was a girl named Neha. She started watching videos if only 10 minutes daily, and she started repeating every sentences, and she started repeating pronunciation. After few days she improved a lot, and she started speaking English confidently. What do you learn from this story? Listening improves your speaking. Repeat after me. I'll listen every day. Step 3. Speak small sentences daily. Don't wait for perfect English. At first, Neha made mistakes, but she continued speaking. Because of speaking continuously, she improved. What do you learn from this story? Speaking creates confidence. Repeat after me. I speak daily. A boy named Ram, he wanted to speak English fluently. He watched many videos, he learned many words, but still he could not speak English. Why? Because he was not practicing. Problem of Ram is what? He studied a lot, but he never practiced. Why practicing English is very important? Because English is a skill and skill needs practice. Without practice you could not learn any skills. So practice every day, and by some days you automatically start starting speaking English. After some times he started practicing of speaking English every day. First day he felt tough. Third day it becomes better. Seventh day he speaks confidently, and after 30 days he started speaking English fluently. So, what you learned from this story? Practice every day. Practice changed everything. Without practice, you can't able to speak properly. Start practicing morning time, because morning is fresh time. Any skills you want to improve fastly, then you have to practice in the morning time. There was a boy who started practicing in the morning, and after some times he started speaking properly, and he started thinking small sentences in the daytime, like I'm eating, I'm going to school, i am I am cooking, I'm painting, etc. And he started reviewing his whole daytime in the night time, because reviewing is very powerful practice, and by using this he improved a lot, so many things. Stop translating things in your mind and start thinking, because by thinking in your mind you can speak faster than who translating in his mind. There was a girl named Shia. She started thinking in mind everything. Whatever he saw, he started think in her mind. Like when she saw fan, she said fan. When she saw desk, she said desk. By following this process, she able to uh, speak fluently, and she stopped translating in her mind. Practice consistently. There was a boy who started practicing uh, consistently in the front of mirror, just 10 minutes. And there was a girl who practiced 2 hours once at a week. So guess who will be more fluent in English after 30 days? A girl or a boy? Yes, of course, boy. Yes, of course, girl. Because girl, girl practiced every day just for 10 minutes, and boys practiced for 2 hours just in a week. That's why practice consistently is more matter than study more. So practice consistently, even for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but daily. And he decided to practice daily for 5 minutes only. He did not escape any day and delay. After this process, he became fluent in English. Why following roadmap is very important. A girl named Vanshika, she wanted to learn English. At the beginning, she was very excited. She watched many videos, she learned many new words, she downloaded apps. Without roadmap, she randomly studied a lot. First day she learned grammar. Next day she started speaking, and another day she stopped. Again she started. After few days, she said, "Still I'm not improving. Still I'm not fluent in speaking." Then her teacher said, "Vanshika, you are doing very hard work, but you don't follow plan." Then her teacher gave her a plan, roadmap. First day you start daily using sentences like I'm going, I'm eating, etc. Another day start practicing 5 minutes daily to speak in English. Then you start watching and repeating English videos. Anshika followed this roadmap, and after 2 to 3 months, she started speaking English fluently. What do you learn from this story? Without following roadmap, you cannot speak properly. So follow roadmap. Listening plays important role in speaking. So start listen English podcast, movies, English simple videos, and start repeating those sentences again and again, even for 10 minutes daily. There was a girl, she started using social media, she started watching simple videos, and she started for just 10 minutes daily, but she repeated every sentences again and again, and after a few days she improved a lot and she started speaking English confidently. So what do you learn from this story? Listen English videos and repeat again and again, so you definitely can speak. Practice makes man perfect. There was a girl, she started practice every day, even she is alone. She started practicing in front of the mirror. She makes mistakes a lot, but she never stopped. She practiced daily. She never skipped even single day. After a few days, she started speaking. So, what do you learn from this story? Practice every day, even if you are alone. Practice in front of the mirror and improve from your mistakes. Consistency is the key to success. A boy started speaking English 5 minutes daily. A boy started speaking 2 hours in a month. Sometimes he spoke for 30 minutes. Sometimes he did not spoke. Guess who will speak English faster? Definitely first boy, because she started speaking English every day. So what do you learn from this story? Consistency is the key to success, not more time. So start speaking English every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes. Learn English, see, understand English, see new words. She watched many videos, but she is very afraid. She never spoke, even with friends. After some days, she started speaking. She never about people who laughed or not. She started speaking broken English only, and after few days, she able to speak English. So practice every day in front of the mirror. When you practiced, you became confident. A girl named Ishika, she knew words. She understood English. She watched videos, but she never tried to speak. Why? She afraid of speaking. One day her teacher asked Ishika speak in English. She stood up, her hand shaking. She tries to speak, but words didn't come out. Some students laughed at her. She sat quietly. She decided I never try English again. After some time, she saw a boy speaking broken English. He made lots of mistakes, but he is still speaking. Nobody is able to stop him. Time she realized English never stopped me. Fear stops me. She decided from that time, I speak English. I didn't afraid of anyone. Again she started speaking English. Slowly she improved. After a few months, she able to speak English confidently. What do you learn from this lovely story? Fear stops us, not English. Don't be fear. Just start speaking, and then you became confident. Repeat, I am not afraid. I will speak. I will improve. I am confident. I want to ask you a question. What type of fear you have? Fear of people? Fear of to making mistakes? You don't feel confident. You just think, लोग क्या कहेंगे? Really? The truth is, nobody cares about you. Everyone is busy in her life. So don't don't be care of anyone. Just speak confidently. That's much. A boy named Rahul, he knew English, but he never spoke. Because why? He felt that he afraid of speaking. One day he tried to speak one sentences. People laughed at him. Again he spoke. Again people laughed at him. But he never stopped. He started speaking. Then what happened? After some times, people stopped to laugh at him. So, what do you learn from this story? That people always laughed at you at the beginning. So don't stop about thinking that what people say, what happened if people laughed at him. Don't worry. You have to just focus on your growth. Don't people. Say with me. I don't care people. I will speak. Why practicing English is very important? Because English is a skill and skill needs practice. Without practice, you could not learn any skills. So practice every day. And hope you like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video.